G'day and welcome. The moment I've all been waiting for. Welcome to number one in the COVID-19 countdown for 2020. Can I say at this stage, thank you to everyone that's had a bit of fun with me doing this. It started out as a bit of a joke a couple of weeks ago. In terms of the trifecta, quite a lot of people put number one in their trifecta, but they didn't get number two or three. So if anyone's going to get a prize, I'll have to work it out somehow. But thanks for the fun. If you don't know what the song is, you can see that CD over there of Slim's. When Slim recorded the song and a few of my others, it got me, got me off my butt and made me start playing a bit and writing a few more songs. And so this song is pretty special to me. And Slim, if you get to see this, thanks, mate. Have you ever been to Byron in the rain? Have you seen it through the window of a train? Have you ever seen them burning sugar cane? I once saw it through the window of a train. Have you ever seen the Murrumbidgee flow? Have you ever seen the Darling when it's low? Will the snowy river ever flow again? I once saw it through the window of a train. I'm thinking of a different place and time. It's a dream inside a dream inside my mind, and I'm hoping I can find that place again, so I can see it through the window of a train. Have you ever seen the mist rise off the hills? Have you seen them cotton timber to the mills? Have you ever seen them harvesting the grain? I've seen it through the window of a train. Have you ever seen the shadow climb a hill? Have you seen a herd of cattle standing still? Will the snowy river ever rise and fill? If we get it right, I think it probably will. I'm thinking of a different place and time. It's a dream inside a dream inside my mind, and I'm hoping I can find that place again, so I can see it through the window of a train. See it all through the window of a train. See the world through the window of a train. Thank you, folks. Thanks for being a part of COVID-19 Countdown for 2020. When COVID-20 hits, we'll do it again. See ya. Thanks for the fun. Bye for now.